How to activate Capital One bank credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Capital One bank credit card. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system, you can as usual open your application. After that, in the source field, you'll have to search for Capital One credit card activation or activate credit card of Capital One. After that, simply you can find the official site to activate card. Simply tap on that. And from here, it is showing that you have to just use the Capital One app. If you want to just activate from the browser, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option activate your card. And from this section, if you have the Capital One online account, simply you can go with the option sign in and active. Or if you have not a Capital One online account, simply tap on enroll and active. If you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot username or password. After that, from here, you'll have to just provide your username and password. Once you have verified with the correct username and password, you'll be able to activate your Capital One online banking card from there. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.